Hey there, I am Modi. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the topic of healthy eating and why it's so crucial for your overall well-being. So, grab a pen and paper because we've got some important insights to share. You see, the food choices we make have a profound impact on our lives. Let's start with the big question, why does eating healthy even matter? Well, for one, it provides your body with the essential nutrients it needs to function at its best. Nutrient-rich foods help maintain your energy levels, support your immune system, and keep your organs running smoothly. But that's just the beginning. Eating healthy can also improve your mental health. A balanced diet can boost your mood, reduce stress, and enhance your cognitive abilities. And let's not forget about the physical benefits. A nutritious diet can help you maintain a healthy weight, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and promote longevity. Now, let's take a moment to talk about what happens when we don't eat healthy. The prevalence of processed and unhealthy foods in our diets has led to alarming rates of obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Plus, poor nutrition can exacerbate mental health issues, contributing to anxiety and depression. It puts a tremendous burden on healthcare systems, with more and more people seeking medical help for diet-related problems. So, how can you make healthy eating a part of your daily life? We've got some practical tips for you. Start by planning your meals and cooking at home whenever possible. This gives you control over your ingredients. Learn to read food labels. Look out for added sugars, unhealthy fats, and excessive sodium. Enjoy your meals mindfully, savoring each bite. Eating with others can make the experience even more enjoyable. Stay hydrated. Water is a vital part of a healthy diet and helps your body function optimally. Opting for a diet rich in vegetables rather than one heavy in carbohydrates offers a multitude of advantages, such as significantly increased fiber intake, which promotes digestive health, aids in weight management by providing a feeling of fullness, and helps regulate blood sugar levels, along with the added benefit of an abundance of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall well-being, making vegetables a nutritionally superior and wholesome dietary choice. So there you have it, the importance of eating healthy. It's not just about the food on your plate, it's about the life you want to live. Eating healthy is an investment in yourself, your future, and your loved ones. It's a journey to a happier, healthier, and more vibrant life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with those you care about. And, of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, every bite you take is a step towards a healthier you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.